Hey y'all, hey okay guys, it's Girl King, and they'll go Mo over there. Mo,
And it's on it.
you got your Instagram, Mariah? Yeah, she not sitting with me, y'all. So we got some roller ice cream. I forgot to start when we first got it.
Show them me, like,
Eli.
it's your boy Eli.
No cloud over here. Okay, this is our family eating, and this ice cream so good.
It's rolled up ice cream, by the way.
But it's hard to get.
See,
And when you look at
it's not hard to get. I be picking the whole thing up and eating it.
it's hard to get it off the spoon.
Okay, guys, y'all want some? Don't take the whole thing now. Jesus! That good. Oh, my move. No. Sorry if we end this video soon because we just wanted to show y'all we got rolled up ice cream.
Not trying to judge. Not trying to be rude.
Not trying to bad.
Oh, like look at my.
Coming down below.
I'm gonna go over there with Mo, y'all, since this our channel. Everybody gonna say I'm just moving around. I done moved 3 chairs. Oh, DJ, what are you doing? Cleaning up you on the mess. I think that's on the mess. Mo. Well, this lady is the me and Danny channel, so y'all, she's still not in it, but that's all. She
We
still got,
eating?
yes, sir. My Poom Poom got him a Cookie Monster. Y'all, I should have got the Fruity Pebbles. Yeah. The cereal up there, I seen it. But it'll be alright. I think we coming up here next weekend with my dad, y'all. There's a bus, whole bus down, like Blueface say. What happened? Oh, that's what happened to me when I tried to let let Mari taste it, cause she asked and I said do, and it flopped on the table. Eli said, "Carrie," and I had to clean it up. And then I gave Mari some, and then I let Raya taste mine. Marshmallow fluff and chocolate syrup. Fluff.
Oh, DJ, what you got?
It's gonna be boring.
I should have tasted some of Naya's and Raya's because these look good.
What you got?
I got 2 more rolls. I said I should have got small. No, I shouldn't have because I'm almost done. But you did. Ding. See, y'all, look at my roll. It's melting, though. It's freezing in here. Well, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.